just like life. This urban jungle is full of twists and turns and many hurdles to overcome. But why fear? When there's a tire designed to navigate and engineered for the ruthless city roads. Presenting the Apterra Cross from Apollo for adventures in the urban jungle. Drive with style, enhanced by the Apterra Cross's revolutionary design that lets you own the city streets through master strokes of style blended with advanced engineering. Take control of the path ahead as your wish becomes the tire's command, finely balanced by optimally stiffened tread blocks. That keeps you in complete control. When urban roads get rough, the specially tuned Aptera easily absorbs all of the blows, keeping you comfortable through every challenge. Even city roads go quiet when the Aptera is in charge. That keeps all the noise out and peaceful calm within. No matter how tough it gets, the Aptera is built tougher with cores of steel and armor to resist puncture. For more adventures of a lifetime, the adventure goes on with the most stylish tread pattern on the market, so you can conquer every city road and rule the concrete jungle, led by the one and only Apterra Cross from Apollo for the adventures in the urban jungle.